The grand idea behind the design was to create a car that was our top-of-the-line entry, designed in Germany.
As the name suggests, Grandland, we wanted to make the whole car more grand in every respect.
It showcases the new 3D visor. It evolved into this amazing high-tech hub.
And for the very first time, we're illuminating the emblem in a very proud way. And then using the name mark at the rear instead of the emblem, moving it into a whole new era.
We even removed the chrome. It definitely stands out more than anything else I've seen on the road.
It should be a grand experience. It's incredibly spacious, not just physically, but also the perception of space. We tried to put very warm and inviting materials that are soft to the touch in the right areas.
The Grandland is the first car moving to what we call pure experience, bringing simplicity, purity and clarity to how the customer lives and operates within the interior. The grandness of this car really puts this at the top end of the Opel portfolio.